Hey everyone, all I got here is a Whirlpool water heater. I'm gonna drain the water for maintenance. Supposed to do it every year, but I haven't done it in a couple of years. Anyway, instead of wasting the hot water that's in there, I'm gonna use it to wash clothes and take a shower. But before I do that, I'll change this gauge here from hot to pilot. I'll leave it at pilot. Don't put it up, because if you put it up, you have to relit the pilot. So just to make sure that it's still on. There's a little window over here. Don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's still lit right there. Alright, so make sure it's on pilot, even vacation, but if you can turn it off too if you want, or you can shut down the gas line too if you want. But this is faster for me. I just leave it at pilot. Alright, and we're gonna drain the water by attaching a hose here and get a screwdriver and to turn this to open the water. So before you take a shower or run the dishwasher or wash clothes, hot water, leave the thing on. The water, the cold water, leave it on. Alright, so I'm gonna go take a shower and run my washer. Then after that, I'll turn up the cold water. Alright, so make sure you leave that on for now. So alright, I'm just done with the shower and the washer. It's full of clothes there, done. I'm gonna go turn up the water now, the cold water. And you can tell the red is hot, blue is cold, or you can touch it. This is still a little bit warm in the pipe here. This one's cold. So turn this ball joint, turn it to close. Either I'm weak or the thing was stuck. Now it's in the off position now. When it's open, it's in line with the pipe. Now it's closed. It's the cold water. Now we can attach the hose now to this bucket over there. Alright. Alright, so the thing is still in the off position. Leave that at off position. Otherwise the thing will kick in. You don't want that. You don't want the burner to kick in. I'll break your water heater. Here's my hose. It leads to the outside. Connect your hose. Make it snug, not too tight, snug. Now before we do this, go inside your house and open the water faucet, the hot side. So let's do that now. Open the hot side right there. Now the reason I opened the faucet inside the house to get the air to push the water out from here. So hopefully this is tight enough. And turn this open. Alright, and let's see if it's water coming out. Got too much junk in my house. My hose is very long though. Water should be coming out and it's not, so what I'm gonna do, a little more air in the system. So I'm just gonna open this, push up. Now you hear the water draining. And there's more air going into the, pushing the water down. Since it's just cold water coming out of it, I'm using it to water the plants. Why waste water if you don't have to? So I'm gonna open the water for like 10 seconds, 15 seconds just to get the thing moving down there, because I know there's a lot of contaminants in the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let that drain for now, and then I'll do it 3 times, then that's it. Some people, they fill it up all the way to the top again and drain it again. I'm not gonna do that. Too much, we're in a drought. I don't want to waste water. Alright, so I'm gonna do that a few more times and then I'll start the whole thing again. So alright, I'm done draining the water tank, the water heater tank, and no more water coming out. I did my thing three times in a row. Put water in and stop it again, put water in, stop it again, and now it stopped. Water stopped coming out at the end of the hose now. So make sure you close this pressure valve. Now make sure you next we're gonna screw this in. So, forget about before you remove the hose. Close the valve. Remove the hose. Got the water coming out here too from the hose. Okay, we're gonna open the water now. Make sure there's no leak over here at the bottom. Now leave the faucet that you opened earlier, leave it open until we're done. Now when it's full, then we're gonna turn on the knob over there to hot or whatever temperature setting you had it before. Alright, look at all the water wet. It was all the way to the wall. You see, you know, the camera can pick it up. There's water on the wall because he was burping water everywhere from the floor. The whole wall was wet earlier. Now it's running fine now. Can heat up the water now. Alright, I'll put it back to the settings earlier, which was on between low and hot. So I'll put it back right here. And it should kick in. You hear it? You hear the gas? And the burner should go off. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.